Jasmine and the Shadow of the Forbidden Rose. The golden sun blazed over Agrabah as Belle arrived at the palace gates, her travel-worn satchel filled with books and notes about the legendary Forbidden Rose. Tales of this mysterious black flower had reached far beyond the desert kingdom, speaking of wisdom beyond measure hidden within its obsidian petals. But as Belle eagerly shared her research with Princess Jasmine, she noticed a shadow of concern cross the princess's face. Jasmine led Belle through the palace's winding corridors to a heavily guarded chamber. There, suspended in a crystal case, floated a rose as dark as midnight, its petals somehow absorbing the light around it. Jasmine explained that the rose was no mere source of knowledge. It was a prison, containing the spirit of a powerful sorceress who had once threatened to destroy Agrabah with dark magic. Before they could discuss the matter further, the palace guards burst into the chamber, announcing that a masked figure had been seen lurking in the shadows. But they were too late. In a whirl of sand and smoke, the crystal case shattered and the rose vanished. Almost immediately, strange things began happening throughout Agrabah. Shadows moved of their own accord, whispering ancient secrets, and the marketplace transformed into a shifting maze of illusions. As panic spread through the city, Belle and Jasmine worked together to track down the thief. Belle's knowledge of magical artifacts helped them follow the rose's trail, while Jasmine's intimate understanding of Agrabah's streets kept them one step ahead of the growing chaos. They finally cornered the thief in an abandoned courtyard, where they discovered he was a grieving father who had been deceived into believing the rose could restore his lost family. But the theft had already set something terrible in motion. The rose's power was weakening, and with each passing hour, the ancient sorceress's influence grew stronger. Shadows wrapped around buildings like serpents, and the air itself seemed to pulse with dark magic. Through her research, Belle realized that the rose wasn't just a prison. It was a seal created by ancient magic users who had sacrificed their most precious possessions to bind the sorceress's power. To restore the seal, someone would need to make a similar sacrifice. Without hesitation, Jasmine stepped forward, offering a priceless family medallion that had been passed down through generations of Agrabah's rulers. Belle joined her, presenting a beloved book from her childhood, the very one that had first sparked her love of adventure and learning. As they placed their treasured items before the broken rose, the objects began to glow with a warm golden light. The magic of their selfless offerings surrounded the black rose, transforming it. The sorceress's dark power was drawn back into the reformed seal, and slowly the shadows retreated from Agrabah's streets. The marketplace returned to normal, and the whispers faded away into the desert wind. Together, Belle and Jasmine had proven that true wisdom lay not in seeking power, but in knowing when to let it go. As the sun set over Agrabah that evening, Jasmine presented Belle with an ancient tome from the palace library, filled with stories and legends of the desert kingdom. In return, Belle extended an invitation to her own castle, promising to share the countless adventures waiting in her vast library. They had learned that while the pursuit of knowledge was valuable, it was the wisdom to use it wisely that truly mattered. The Forbidden Rose was secured once more, this time protected not just by magic, but by the understanding that some secrets are better left undisturbed. Belle returned home with not just new knowledge, but with a deeper appreciation for the responsibility that comes with it. And in the years that followed, the friendship between the scholar and the princess remained strong, bound by their shared adventure and the wisdom they had gained together. As for the black rose, it remained in its crystal case, a reminder that true power lies not in ancient artifacts or dark magic, but in the choices we make and the wisdom to know when to walk away from the temptation of forbidden knowledge.
Subscribe now and step into a new story where fairy tales come with a twist.